please click the subscribe button to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button to never miss any updates on my channel Sweta's's Beauty Vanity. Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel Sweta's's Beauty Vanity. And if you are new in here, hey, my name is Sweta, very welcome to my channel. Please stay connected. Today I am gonna show you guys this dramatic smoky eye step-by-step tutorial with full face makeup. I got my inspiration from Deepika Padukone's most recent look, which she wore in the recent Cannes Film Festival 2018. Being a smoky eye makeup lover, I need to create this super dramatic look, but here is a small disclaimer. I don't look like Deepika Padukone at all, even I don't try to look like her by this makeup tutorial. I just want to let you guys know by my makeup tutorial how you guys can achieve this type of super dramatic look if you want to go for the same. So please don't judge me on this part. Now if you like this tutorial, please hit the like button, comment me in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel because it really means a lot to me. Now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So to begin with, first I'm gonna use this Alovera gel from the brand Nature Republic as my makeup primer today, which is the best option as per my opinion for this hot humid weather which we are having right now. The gel-like consistency helps you stick the foundation onto your face throughout the day, and I am applying the product all over my face and neck. But beforehand, I already moisturized my skin off camera with my daily moisturizer. Guys, please do not skip your moisturizer even though it's a summer season. Next, I'm applying the foundation. Today as a foundation, I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Ready foundation, with which I'm gonna add few drops of Sephora Radiant Luminized drops to make the foundation more radiant and dewy. As because it's a special event makeup, I want to give some extra oomph in the base makeup. And to blend the foundation, I'm using my flat top kabuki brush from the brand Base Top. And after which I'm gonna use my beauty sponge to make the blending process more flawless and more blended. As always, all the product details which I'm using in this tutorial available in the below description box, so please check it out from there if you are interested. For filling and drawing my eyebrow, I'm gonna use my all-time favorite faces Canda Ultime Pro Brow Pencil. With the brush end of the product, first I'm combing through my brow hair, then I'm gonna outline my eyebrow and filling any sparse area with the same. And then to make it more fuller and thicker, I'm going to use my ELF brow pomade, and with the Vega angular brush I am depositing the product like so. For highlighting and cleaning the eyebrow, I am taking the lightest concealer shade from my ELF contour palette, and I am in the shade dark. And with this flattened brush, I am applying the product, and I am applying it onto my eyelid as well as my eye base primer today. And with the help of my finger, I am gonna blend the product all over my eyelid and wherever I applied the product. Now move on to the eye makeup. Here for the smoky eye look, first I am drawing a thick eyeliner along with my upper lash line, and then with the help of my ELF smudging brush, I am smudging the edges of the liner. You guys can put scotch tape along the side of your eyes as a guideline, but today I don't know why I skipped that method. Anyway, now to set the eye base in the rest of the eyelid up to brow bone, I am picking the skin color eyeshadow and applying the same with a flat shape eyeshadow brush like I am doing here. The palette which I am using here is from Makeup Revolution Run by Run palette. Now with a tad bit flappy smudging brush compared to the previous one, I am smudging the outer part of the eyeliner and bringing the color up to the lower crease area and trying to create a V shape over there. The main trick of this kind of eye look is lots of blending. It may take time, but you will be definitely happy with the end result if you guys follow all the steps I am showing here. Now in the next step, I'm patting this cranberry shade just above the below shadow. If we see Deepika's eye look, there is some kind of reddish shimmery shadow in her eye look just below the crease. So to replicate the same, I'm applying the shadow from City Color Cosmetics. Here before applying the shadow, I spread a little bit of makeup mist onto my brush to make it more intense and shimmery. Now in my inner 1/3 of the eye, I'm gonna apply this frosty purple shade to brighten up the whole eye look. My camera didn't catch up much the shadow, it's not clearly visible here, but if you see my picture here, it is something look like this, the inner shadow. Next, with a flat fluffy clean blending brush, I am smudging and buffing out the edges of the shimmery shadows. After which, with this warm brown shade, I'm gonna smudge the crease area. Now with this precision blending brush, I'm applying a black shadow over the black creamy base to set the whole black gel eyeliner base. Then with the Real Technique Crease brush, I am blending the harsh lines between the black and reddish color. I am not taking any eyeshadow with the brush, and this way you can get a clean and blended eye look. Now to clean up the edges of the eyeshadow and make a crispy line over there, I am taking my makeup wipes and cleaning up the edges. I'll suggest you guys to do eye makeup first when you are opt for smoky eye, so that way to brighten up and highlight my under eye, I am applying my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and I am in the shade Porcelain. When you are doing any smoky eye or dark eye makeup, try to choose the concealer which is used as highlight as well, because with smoky eye, if under eye dark circle or any discoloration is visible, it ends up look like someone punch on your eyes. So choose a concealer which is at least 3 shades lighter than your original skin tone. I am changing my sponge here. With a smaller blending brush, it becomes easier to blend the product in the innermost corner of your eye. Now to set everything in place, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation Compact Powder to all over my face and neck, and with a kabuki brush, I am applying the same. Next, to tightline upper and lower waterline, I am using the same Maybelline Studio Gel Liner, and I am applying the product with a angular brush. Now with the black eyeshadow, I am smudging and smoking out my lower lash line. As this look is supposed to be super dark, I am trying to make my lower lash line as intense as I could, and same goes with the upper lash line. And reapplying the black eyeshadow until I am not happy with the end result. In the next step, I am gonna apply the shadows in the same order onto my lower lash line right below the black eyeshadow, as I did in my eye makeup above. Such as first I am applying the reddish cranberry shade, then I am applying the warm brown shadow like I am doing here. Now with the Kiko eyeshadow, I am gonna highlight my brow bone. For inner corner highlight, I am using the same purple tone shimmery eyeshadow, and with a precision brush, I am gonna deposit the product. Now come back to the face makeup. As the eye makeup is super dramatic and intense, I want to keep my face makeup simple and subtle. So to highlight my face, I am using the banana shade powder from Wet n Wild contour palette, and I am applying it under my eye, below the cheekbone, middle of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose. Now to contouring my face, I'm gonna use my current favorite, which is butter bronzer from Physician Formula, and I'm in the shade Deep Bronze. With the angular brush, I'm applying it to hollow of my cheekbone and outer perimeter of my face, and after that, with the same product, I'm gonna contour my nose. Next, as a blush, I am gonna use the peach shade blush from Tarte Cosmetics and use it onto the apple of my cheek. Now with the kabuki brush, which I used to apply the powder foundation, I'm pressing it all over my face. This is a trick by which you are able to make the base makeup blended and flawless. Now it's time to applying the mascara, but beforehand I'm gonna curl up my lashes. Today as a mascara, I'm gonna apply Out the Hype from NYX Cosmetics, which I got as a complimentary product from influencer as review purpose. It's really an awesome product. Since I received the product, I keep using it. It's linen up and voluminize your lashes at the same time, but not over the top. This mascara is best for everyday makeup, as per my opinion. Now with the same Kiko eyeshadow which I used as brow bone highlighter, I am using it now as my face highlighter and using it onto the cheekbone, down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, above the eyebrow and onto the chin. We almost verge up our makeup, so now to lining up my lips, I am picking the liner from NYX, and it's a chocolatey brown color, and as a lip shade today I am using the pinkish nude color from Faces Canada. The shade is called Blushing Nude. This is my new buy from Faces Canada Ultime Pro range, and the lip shade is absolutely stunning. Last but not the least, now to finish up the whole makeup and make it long lasting and dewy, I am gonna spray the LXMI setting spray all over my face. So this is my final look. I put falsies off camera, which is an optional step. You totally skip the step if you are not comfortable with falsie. I hope I have done little justice to this whole makeup. What say guys? Please let me know your thoughts about the look in the comment section below, and if you like the whole transformation, please hit the like button, share the same with your friends and family, and please support my channel by subscribing it, because without your help and support there is no point to make videos every week. So this is it. I'll be back here with another video soon on my channel. Till then, stay happy, healthy and beautiful. Lots of love. Bye bye.